Hi everybody! Today it's all about Program Backlog Board. A board seen and used in probably hundreds of PI plannings. The Program Backlog Board holds all the features of the PI planning. They are well structured and typically prioritized and ranked by the WSJF value. The teams can now go to this board and pull a feature, bring it to the program board. Then they start to break down the feature into user stories on their iteration flip chart. So far, so good. But with this method, we lose the overview of all the features on the program backlog board. And that's what we have our brilliant RTEs for. It's their job to have a solution for every problem around facilitating the PI planning. So they figured that they will write each feature on 2 sticky notes, each with a different color. The teams will only take the one on the top for their planning. The one that's hanging beneath the other one remains on the program backlog board. The team just notes their team name on it. This way, the RT can see at a glance which features are in planning already and which aren't. In the PI planning app, we implemented it no different from the physical world. The only difference is preparation. Preparation of the board is limited to selecting your preferred color that should remain on the board after a team pulled a feature. Now, during PI planning, when a team goes to the program backlog board and they decide to pull a feature, the only thing they need to do is to assign it to their own team. The color instantly changes, their team name appears on the feature, and at the same time, a mirrored sticky note appears on the program board in the program backlog column next to their team name. Thank you for watching and happy PI planning!